I love foods that taste great and are good for you too. That's why heart-healthy grapes are one of my favorite snacks and my secret to great tasting recipes. Grapes are a natural source of antioxidants and other beneficial polyphenols. California grapes add a juicy burst of flavor and gorgeous color too. Adding grapes to a dish makes all the difference. We all need to be eating more fruits and veggies, and an easy way to do that is to pair them up. One of my favorite combinations is this roasted broccoli and California grape salad. First, I toss the broccoli in olive oil and then roast it for just 10 minutes. I mix up a simple balsamic dressing, accented with honey and garlic. I add California grapes to the warm broccoli, toss them in dressing, and sprinkle with some pecans. This is an unbelievably delicious salad. Remember, grapes from California are juicy, fresh, and delicious. They are a heart-healthy snack and a smart ingredient to make your meals more enjoyable. For these ideas and more, visit grapesfromcalifornia.com.